Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play I Fought the Law by the Bobby Fuller 4, also done by The Clash. If you enjoy what you see today, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So, with all that said and done, go grab a guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, I Fought the Law, let's get straight into it. So first off, we've got the bar chord of G. Then we're going to move along to a bar chord of C. And then slide that up to the 5th fret for a bar chord of D. Let me show you how that works. So we've got G, C, and D. So the G is your standard G major chord. Then we're going to be on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd string with our 2nd, 3rd and 4th fingers up there on the 5th fret. That's going to give us our C chord. Then we're going to slide that all the way up to the 5th fret, and that's going to give us our D chord, D major. So the way that works is, it's only a 3-chord song, if I'm totally honest. It's a 3-chord song, G, C and D. But what makes this song a bit more interesting is there's some real complex strum patterns going on. So what we've got here, so we've got G, so we've got down, down, up, down, up, up, down. Now it's done really quickly. Down, down, up, down, up, up, down. Got it? Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. And it's a real snap of the wrist. You know, you really wouldn't be able to do that with your, if you was strumming from your arm. Try and just keep it completely on the wrist. So we've got... Let's get you right up to the camera for that. So down, 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 up, down. Then we're going to move over to a C chord. We're going to do the down, 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 up, down, and then we're going to slide up to the D chord to finish the phrase. Up, down. So G, then C. Got it? So we finished the second part of the phrase is spread over the 2 chords. Okay, so we've got G. And then we're going to go, so we do the G, C, D, then back to the G, and then we're going to go to the D chord, standard D chord, the open D chord, and we're going to go down, 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 and we're going to go down, then little finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. See, hear that? So down, 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 and G. Okay, so let's put that all together. Now, that section, that phrase, repeats itself. So obviously it's at the intro, it repeats itself in the middle of the song, and it finishes it ends the whole song off as well. So one more time and then we'll get into the main body of the song. So G, D and C and D, and then back to G, then D, finishing with G. Right, so let's get into the body of the song. So the body of the song is, like I said earlier, is G, C and D. So all we're doing is we're going bar chord of G. We're just going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So D, G, C, D, G, 2, 3, 4, C, G, G, 2, 3, 4, D, G. So we're going from the C, G, and then D, G. Okay, so G, 2, 3, 4, C, notice what I'm doing there, which is unlike what I was doing for the intro. What I'm doing for the intro, as if you see, I've done my actually going to the bother of putting the 3 fingers down rather than just barring the 3 strings we need with 1 finger. The reason I did that is because I need that E string to sound when we're doing the intro. So I need that note and that note. That's instrumental in the intro. But when we're doing the main body of the song, it doesn't matter. So feel free to bar away for your C and your D. So we can easily go. So D. Back to the intro. Then we're into the body of the song. C, G, 2, 3, 4. C, D, G. Then we're back to the interlude again. And then we've got the bridge. Very simple, 2 chords. It's just C and G. So we've got I met my baby and I feel so bad. That song. C, G, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. So basically 2 bars of C, 2 bars of G, 2 bars of C for the bridge. So 2, 3, and C. 2 bars of G. Then back to C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2. Then we've got the chorus. G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, G, 2, D, G. Then we go into the instrumental bit. Okay.
So there we are. I Fought the Law by the Bobby Fuller 4. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions you may have for songs you'd like me to rip to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So until we meet again, I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.